In this video, I am sharing with you how to make Don Julio mango honey jerk wings. Look at this, nice and tasty. In this bowl, I have 20 pieces of chicken wings. I'm going to wash them with fresh lime and vinegar. Going to peel 2 mango and blend them. To the blender, I'm going to add the mango. Going to add 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup Don Julio. Now we're going to blend. That is it. I'm going to leave them in the bowl to make them marinate for 2 hours before I bake them in the oven. Of the oven preheated at 375 degrees. We're going to put them inside the oven for 1 hour. Add butter to the cast iron pan. 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. Now add honey. Add Don Julio. Add mango. After 1 hour, remove the chicken from the oven and toss them in the glaze. Okay, this is how my Don Julio mango honey jerk wings look when them finish. Look at this, nice and tasty. Going to open up one for you.